Yes, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we get our first winter storm of the season. First winter storm of the season, guys. See the snow on the cars outside. I'm gonna do some cleaning up now. I'm gonna clean up some of the snow off the vehicle, do some cleaning up over here. Just basically clean up this snow, so in a little while I can take a little drive out. But this is our very first snowstorm of the season, guys. Very first one. And that's it, guys. That's it.
Just do you have to pass on the phone?
Yes, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we get the first snowstorm today. We get like about 4 inches of snow. About 4 inches of snow we get. Me and my son just finished cleaning up the driveway. Cleaning up the driveway. As you can see, snow all over the place, right? Me and my son here, me and my son Justin, we just finished cleaning up the driveway. Guys, take a look. See the snow? Snow all over the place. Clean off the snow from the truck, and just a messy day today, guys. Messy day today. Yes, guys, just want to show you the beauty of the snow. Just finished cleaning up. Just finished cleaning up the driveway. Wow, it's a beautiful thing. Yes, guys, today I'm up in New Windsor. That's where I am today, and we get our first winter storm today. You can see the snow on the side of the road. So today it's not a good day to drive, you know. Not a good day on the road today. But right now I'm driving down on 208 in New Windsor. I'm gonna make a left right here to pick up 207. I'm heading to Woodbury, New York. That's where I'm heading to right now. That's where I'm heading to right now. But it's just very bleaky on the outside. Very bleaky on the outside. It started to get light snow. Start to snow again. But I have to make this run out to Woodbury for a short time out there. That's where I am today. New Windsor. Like about an hour and 20 minutes from New York City. Here I am right now. And New Windsor is in Orange County, New York. At least they treat the road, you know, put the salt, and the road is very clean so far. just hope that's it for the snow for today. I hope we don't get any more snow for the day, because I just finished cleaning up my driveway, you know. And this snow is so wet, just hard for the snow blower to really push it, you know. A lot of water entering. Entering Washingtonville, village of Washingtonville. That's what where I'm entering right now. Washingtonville, New York. Just driving on 207 going to Washingtonville now. Guys, this is a small little town of Washingtonville. Just going to Washingtonville. Still driving on Route 207. A snowy day in Washingtonville, New York, in Orange County. We were just gonna get rain yesterday, rain today, but around 2 o'clock last night it started to snow. So So we get like about 4 inches of snow. About 4 inches of snow we get up here. And right now it started to snow again. It's not sticking because it's out the street, but just started to snow again. It to Woodbury and then get off the road before this snow started to stick again, you know. For a long time, for a couple months, we get no rain, nothing. The place was so dry, and then bam, get the rain, then here comes the snow. Traveling through Monroe, still driving on Route 207, where I'm going through a little part of Monroe now. In the suburbs of Monroe. guys, I must say thanks for always coming back to watch my YouTube videos, guys. I'm really grateful on that. Continue to watch my videos, continue to share the channel, give the video a like, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Today is a very snowy day. Look at the snow on this side of the road. Some places get snow, some don't, you know, but I was not looking forward to this snowstorm today. Was not looking forward to that. Just a lot of work to clean it up, you know. Just a lot of work